Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover page layout menu. Let's begin. There are 5 sections. First section is themes. Second section is page setup. Third section is scale to fit. Fourth section is sheet options. And fifth section is arrange. Let's begin with first section. That is themes. We can apply themes from built-in Office themes. We can browse for themes and save current theme. We can apply color from built-in Office colors or using customize color option. We can apply fonts from built-in Office fonts or using customize fonts option. We can apply effects from built-in Office effects. Next section is page setup. We can apply margins using built-in margins or using custom margins option. We can apply orientation, that is portrait or landscape. We can choose paper size from built-in paper sizes or using more paper sizes option. We can select print area with options set print area and clear print area. Under breaks, we can insert page break, remove page break, and reset all page breaks. We can choose background and print titles. Under more page options, we can select orientation, paper size, print quality, and first page number. Next section is scale to fit. We can set width, height, and scale. Under more page options, under scaling, we can define adjust to percentage normal size and fit to and wide by pages option. Next section is sheet options. We can view or print grid lines, view or print headings. Under more sheet options, we can define print area. Under print titles, we can select rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. Under print, we can select grid lines, black and white, draft quality, row and column headings, comments, and cell error as option. We can define page order, that is down, then over, or over, then down. Next section is arrange. Under bring forward, we can bring forward or bring to front. Under send backward, we can send backward or send to back. We can display selection pane. Under align, we have align left, align center, align right, align top, align middle, align bottom, distribute horizontally, distribute vertically, snap to grid, snap to shape and view grid lines. Under group, we have group, regroup and ungroup. Under rotate, we have rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal and more rotation options. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.